Yo, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather Norman. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, turn the notification on. Anyway, I'm here to let you know we're doing a taste test again today. Woo! But this time it's with my daughter. So there she is. Go to her page as well, B for Bailey. She's on YouTube. And I'll get back to you.
Those for the game.
Okay, people, we're back. So we got the game. We're about to start. So hope y'all enjoy.
Okay, Bailey, it's ready. One you touch.
Okay, good. Of course, I get lucky for my first one and got a kiss. Okay, who's next?
I got this all right.
Can you see?
No.
Okay, that's all
Okay,
right.
it's all right.
She puts her phone upside down all the time.
Okay, touch. Reach out and touch something. One hand. One hand. There you go. Take your mask off.
Huh?
Take your mask off. You touched the bowl. Oh my God. Get what you just touched. Pick one. Get her. See in the video?
How was it?
Give her time. It's good.
It's not that hot.
Yeah.
They're good.
Yeah. Okay. Heather Norman.
Hold on, let me get you something real quick so I can pop your phone off.
Once your hand touches something, you remove your mask because that's what you're going to have to eat.
Okay, people, my go.
Not me, you're on.
There's something. Here, let me see your phone real quick. Okay, just prop it up against there. Hold on, like this preferably. Okay, good to go.
All right, take your mask off.
Oh no!
All right, Poppy Rocky.
You can't spell it. How is it? Is it good?
It is good.
That's pretty good.
Is it hot?
A little bit. Not as bad.
You have to eat them back before you feel the heat. Maybe I'll pick it again. Okay, ready?
Okay, that was the hot I ate, y'all.
Ready? Okay. All right.
No.
Move your mask.
And she's got the hot.
Go, baby. Who's next? She's up. Go, pick. Don't move your hand out until I say go. Okay, go. One hand. Okay, take your mask off. Grab one and get it. Okay.
And you put a towel, you can't feel the heat until it gets.
All right, Norman. Don't put your hand out, don't get it set up.
I hate this.
All right, you ready? All right.
You got lucky.
Woo! I got a kiss. Mwah!
Get it, I guess, but like.
Oh my, are you gonna drink a gallon now? Your guy.
Mmm.
All right, ready. All right, your hand, don't touch everything. Once you touch it, you got it, right?
Oh, okay. I got this little. The Sour Patch Kid watermelon. So.
No face. Don't make no face. Straight face. Not yet, Steve. Not yet. Not yet. Waiting on her to finish hers. You chewed it up?
I'm working on. No, I'm gonna be like the no reaction guy.
Yeah, no reaction. And that's what you need to do on the hot one, too. Okay,
No
Sally, put your
reaction.
mask on. First out. Alright, no hands up yet. Okay. You must like them. You have to like. No, I do.
Also, just so you know, she got the hot ones again.
All right, Hector. Okay. Okay, you touch something. Take your mask off.
Ah!
Once your hand touches something, you want to go for it.
Here we go.
How long are you going to do this? Everybody's done something, right?
So,
How long does it go for? I want these.
until we're done
You done what?
with our game.
Not bad. It's not really sour.
I know that.
You gotta say no reaction.
No reaction.
Who's next, Bailey?
Me. You're queen. You're cul-de-sac Barbie.
Cul-de-sac, Barbie.
I should rebrand my channel to cul-de-sac Barbie. Be a select. No.
All right. Go ahead.
Forget you. You tricked me.
You did it. You touched it. Go on. Oh, you
Hey, I got the hot one.
All right. It's Sally's turn. Good. Sally, one hand. One hand. Move your mask. Get it. Jesus. Y'all people. Y'all liking them things, ain't you?
No.
And then one of you got the good one right there in the center.
This is my voice.
Alright.
All right, Mama's got it.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay. One hand. There it is.
Mom's doing it on purpose.
I know.
I did not. It was there.
It's alright. Ow.
And Bailey's got it.
That better not be in front of me.
I'm bumping the bucket for you.
That. Nope.
Okay. We're here. You touched.
I didn't touch anything.
You did.
You did.
You did that.
You're holding them. No. You were holding. Was she holding them? Be
I wasn't
legit.
holding
Be legit.
She
I
was.
literally
Wasn't
just saw
holding.
you put them down.
Come on.
Okay, people, that's all. I hope y'all liked this video.
Gotta get one. Get that one right there.
Any more you
I'm
want to
not
see
getting
like
that.
this, comment
Get that
below.
one
Let me
and
know.
no.
I'll be happy to do more taste tests. All
Please.
right, peace, y'all.